So hello guys, today in this video we will see that how to add a drop down menu in our react.js or next.js application. For this project I used Adobe podcast enhancer tool in later part of the video, so you can check the
for this project, but I am doing it manually for you. But if you are using side scene drop downs are very easy to integrate. For that, we just have to import the use state for that and create a state that is for is open or set is open. Firstly, let me show you. This is let's clear this. Okay, and now here is our logo, and on clicking it's showing nothing. For that, we have to import the use state, then create a state for open or not open, and by default we'll set it to false. By default it's false, and then we'll create a function that toggle drop down that will set the open to current values opposite, and then say if it's false, then it will make it true, and if it's true, right, it will make it false. And then we will create a div, and when it's open, means the open is true, we will set nothing in the display property in the class name, but when it's false, it will add the hidden class in, and the drop down will be hidden in, and we are making it absolute and top 0, so it will be always connected. And here we can add our options with our anchor tag or link tag, and when I will click here, you can see the options here. It's absolute property. We make it connected to the author, and that is to integrate. And there are other methods also, just like you can eliminate this one, just copy it, and you can eliminate this function also. And for this, you have to create a fallback function, callback, and in how it's working. So you can minimize the code more, and if you want anything else,